Hello everyone. Today I will tell you how to file nil return for a small trader who do not have any turnover for particular period. So let's start. First, I will log in to GST. You have to click the login and put your login user ID and password. So I'm login. We will log in first. Then you have to put password, but you can copy paste your username, but you cannot copy paste the password, so you have to type your password. Password is protected, you cannot see the password. 644262. You have to enter the captcha. Now you are on the login page. On the login page you can see that it is for quarterly return. We will go for it is small trader who is doing the trading business, so he is not for month applied for the quarterly return. So we will file the quarterly return composition. This is a nil return of composition. So how to file the nil return of composition? Suppose one trader forget to file his return in the December, you can file the old return also. Now we will file the October to December. So once you select period, after the statement for payment of GST will come. Due date is 18/1/2024. So this trader has not filed the return on time. So we will file today. So in case of nil return, you have to select the nil and go ahead. Then you have to click on the proceed to file. Once you click the proceed on file, it will ask for the password detail. You have to select here your name and file GST composition 8. You have to click on file composition GST 8. Then this warning message you come. You are about filing nil GST composition 8. In case you have some output or inward reverse charges apply, you go back to the disable checkout प्रोवाइड डिटेल है. ये हम लोग नील रिटर्न फाइल कर रहे हैं. तो अगर आपके पास कोई आउटपुट है या कोई रिवर्स चार्ज है या कोई इनपुट रिवर्स है तो आप इसको फिर से पीछे जाके चेंज कर सकते हैं. लेकिन आपने एक बार फाइल कर दिया तो आप चेंज नहीं कर पाएंगे, इसलिए अलर्ट रहें. ये हम नील रिटर्न फाइल कर रहे हैं. तो अब आ गए हम फाइलिंग स्टेज पे. फाइल विथ ईवीसी. ईवीसी विल गो टू द योर ईमेल आईडी. This EVC has come on the email ID. This type of EVC will come. Then you have to type the EVC and verify. The OTP will come on the email address. So the OTP you have to type correctly. Once you will type the OTP, it will approve the returns. You have to select the OTP properly. There may be multiple OTP, so you have to write the proper OTP. In case you forget, let's see, I have the मैंने अभी GSTR कंपोजिशन में मैंने पासवर्ड डाला, OTP डाला और ये फाइल हो गया. तो इस तरह से आपको कंपोजिशन की नील रिटर्न फाइल करनी है. ये बहुत आसान है. और अगर पेबल या रिवर्स चार्ज होगा तो मैं उसके लिए आपको अगले वीडियो में गाइड करूँगा. जय हिंद.